On question number 17, we have a start time of 1932 and an infusion time of 6 hours and 40 minutes. So I'm starting with 1932 and I'm adding 640. So the minutes column is going to be 72 and the hours column is going to be 25. So we have a lot of corrections that we need to make with this. Let's first look at the minutes. We can't have a 72 in the minutes column. So I need to subtract 60 and then add the 1. That will get me 12 in the minutes column and 26 in the hours column. So my minutes column is okay now, but my hours column is not. So 26 hours is too much even for the 24-hour clock. So I need to subtract 24 from this. And that will get me 0 to 12.